Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I thought it would be kind of cool if I did more so of a vlog style video for you guys. So last week I posted up a story on my Instagram and said I was gonna attempt to do my own gel nails at home, and a lot of you guys messaged me about it. So today I thought I might as well do a video on me doing my nails. Yeah, just a disclaimer, I'm not a nail tech. I just watched a whole bunch of videos on YouTube and learned how to do it myself. So I may not be doing it the correct way, but it is working for me. So just wanted to put that out there. And if you guys want to see me do my gel nails, just keep on watching. All right, you guys. So this is my little station. I think I should... Okay, so I'll show you all the stuff that I got and that I use to do my nails. So first off, I got my nail files, and then I got my curing lamp, which I got from Amazon. It had really good reviews, so I decided to go with that. These are base coat and top coat, and this came in a pack, and there's 6 colors. They were really cheap too. I think they were like $30 for all 6 of them, and they're all colors that I would wear. So today we'll be doing number 22. I got this little brush thingy because I wanted to feel like professional, and I decided to just go all out. Might as well. Over here I have my cuticle cleaner thingy spatula. I'm intimidated of this thing. I got my nail cutter. I got this builder gel, so I got this one and I got this one. Both of them have really good reviews. Got my acetone, got my lotion because your hands are going to be dry after this. This cuticle remover solution. Tips for my nails, but I kind of like my short nails. Got my e-file on Amazon as well. So I decided to go with this brand because I actually have a face brush by this company, and it's really, really good. So I just assumed that this e-file would be good as well. It only has an on and off switch. It runs on batteries, and it also comes with this little piece that you can kind of hold it like that, but it's also a curing lamp, so if you don't want to go ahead and purchase the big one, you can always use this. It comes with all of your files on the bottom, so it comes with your sanding band, like your buffing, your cuticle remover. I don't know what half of these stuff are for, but it comes with all of that. It's super convenient. You can take it around anywhere. You don't have to be sitting right next to a plug to plug it in. So that is about it for all of this stuff, and we'll just get into doing my nails now. So I guess you don't need to see me for this video. So we're gonna start off by cleaning up the cuticles. So I'm just gonna take my cuticle solution, just kind of put it all on the bottom there. And you're gonna wanna let this soak in for a good 5 minutes or so. All right, so it's been a good 5 minutes, so I'm just gonna go ahead with this end of the little cuticle spatula and just kind of push your cuticle down. Alright, so I'm just gonna clean off all of that gel. We'll go in with this. I hate using this, but we'll try. Alright, so we've cleaned off the cuticles. I don't think it made a difference, but I am going to still go in with the e-file and just clean it up even more, because I feel like a clean cuticle makes your manicure look even just all the more better. So I'm just gonna take this file right here and clean up my cuticles with it. I'm just gonna go ahead and buff out all the old gel that I had on my nail, because I didn't completely take everything off, which is why there's so much weird texture on it. This thing intimidated me at first, but it works so well. Alright, so as you can see, like, I just kind of buffed out everything and then also left some texture on my nails, because that way your gel nails would stick on better. So now we're just gonna go ahead and just gonna wipe off all the excess oil that we may have left on our nails, and then we're ready to go in with our base. So just apply a very thin layer on your nails. I'm just gonna go ahead and cure it for about 60 seconds. So while we wait on that, next I'll be using this builder gel. So I have two kinds of it. I usually use this one, but I'm gonna try out this one today. It's fairly thick, and basically only use this if you have very thin nails and damaged nails, because this will help your nails grow out evenly and not chip. So that's why I'm gonna use this, because mine is really thin, and once it starts to grow out a little bit, it's gonna end up chipping off. So that's why I'm gonna use this today. And if you aren't able to get a hold of any of these, then you can just go ahead with using the base coat and just put 2 coats of it. So that will also help. All right, so I'm done curing my nails now. So we'll just go ahead with this. This consistency is actually really, really sticky. So just be patient with it. I wasn't able to get a hold of any nail brushes, so I'm just gonna use a regular paintbrush today. Don't judge me, we gotta work with what we have. And this consistency is like really thick and kind of slimy looking, so you only need like very little. And you kind of want to just start off in the middle right here. Kind of pull it. And then once you're done with all of that, just push it down to the cuticle. Always want to seal the tips of the nail. There we go. So I'm just going to go ahead and do that with all of my nails here. So I'm gonna actually cure these 4 nails, and then I'll come back to do my thumb, and I'll also do that for another 60 seconds. I have to say, this one is a lot more easier to use than this one, so I highly recommend going with the Gelish brand because they're really, really good. This one was a pain to use. Going in to do my thumb now. So if you feel like your nails actually didn't cure evenly and you see a little bit of bumps, just take some rubbing alcohol, wipe off the sticky part of it, and then go in with your e-file and just kind of smoothen it out. And then once you smoothen it out, make sure you clean it, you remove all of the oils again, and then you can go in with your color. And this way, like, your nails would look smooth and not look like there's like ridges to your nails. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with number 22 in this brand. I'm not gonna even bother pronouncing it, but that's how it ends up looking. So we'll just go in with this color here. And I'm just gonna apply very thin layers. So I'm just gonna cure that for 60 seconds. Okay, so we're done with the first coat. Now on to the second coat. Okay, so I think I'm gonna go in with one more coat just so they both look even. Alright, we are now almost done. We're gonna go in with our top coat, and this will kind of just lock everything into place. Now when you look at it, this side looks so stumpy and ugly. All right, you guys, it's nice and dry. This side looks so good compared to this side. And to be honest, obviously this is my non-dominant hand, but this thing made such a huge difference, so I highly recommend getting this. All right, you guys, that is it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think, and I'll see you again in my next video.